We still have thunderstorms to the far south, and you might pick up some distant lightning, but this vantage point is looking toward the east-northeast, toward downtown and beyond, and that is our WeatherCam network shot on this early Friday morning. It should brighten up pretty nicely here in just the next 30 to 45 minutes. West breeze at 5, the dew point at 70. We've seen that all week at this particular time. The air temperature at 71. We've seen that as well, and then it gradually goes to 70 and then maybe 69. That can happen again this morning as we go towards 6 and 7. Here's a look at rainfall of late yesterday, and we did have a severe thunderstorm down toward the Emporia area, 88 hundredths of an inch there. Salina getting over a third, and then more showers and thunderstorms, especially out here through the Flint Hills, and then diving down toward Emporia again, an additional 0.61 since midnight. So that's roughly an inch-and-a-half event on top of the 2 to 3 that was picked up there just a couple of days ago. Very spotty amounts up here, just trace amounts in some areas for a wet ground patch or two. And thunderstorms are still occurring down to the south, and these are big-time lightning producers. A lot of in-cloud lightning at times, if they're close enough, some cloud-to-cloud lightning, but things are really flashing down here to the far south. El Dorado, still quite a bit of rain and thunder. This goes right over toward the Fort Scott area. Chanute also in on this. Yates Center, Iola, Buffalo, all those communities in this far south and southeastern area, all getting some showers and storms still, but the drift is toward the east-southeast at roughly 15 to 20 miles per hour. The dew point down 1 degree in Junction City, still holding at 70 for Topeka. These numbers are high enough to certainly call it humid outside, but drier air creeping down here through our northwest counties, putting dew points in the low 60s, and that makes for a pretty decent August morning when you have a dew point that's close to 60, air temperatures in the low to mid 60s. You'll take that. There's the 70-degree temp in Emporia. Holton, the same thing. Kansas City right now at 68, and not much going on there. Just a little patch of fog in a few spots. Emporia, the visibility is still pretty good, but just south, a lot of lightning going on. Some big-time flashes within some of those dying thunderstorms that are off to the south. So through the day today, we should have some sunshine, just a few clouds building to the far north and northeast. Thunderstorms south will be long gone as we go toward mid to late morning. And then as we hit nighttime, a clear to partly cloudy sky. Could be a little patch of fog early tomorrow morning, especially down here where there's been some rain. And then Saturday morning, it starts off nice and clear. We get into sunshine through the day. There might be a few clouds that try to take off on us, but the bigger story is what's happening out to the far west. And by sometime overnight Saturday into Sunday, the clouds start to gradually approach. A lot of the rain initially will go from west and central Kansas up into Nebraska, but once we get into Sunday, that blob of rain will be here. So 75 degrees at 10 o'clock, 83 as we go past lunchtime. That's not too bad for this time of the year. Could certainly be much hotter than that. Mostly sunny, light breezes for the afternoon with some upper 80s. A few foggy spots overnight. Otherwise, the stars will shine. 67 for your early Saturday morning. And then it does heat up. It becomes hot. Much of that 90-degree ballpark is going to be around 4 in the afternoon, but tomorrow morning should be very pleasant. The afternoon, not terribly bad, but it does become hot and humid. Thunderstorms likely on Sunday, and some of that rainfall could hit the western counties as early as sunup on Sunday, and it will gradually spread from west to east. Still lingering thunderstorm chance on Monday. Slightly cooler weather on Tuesday into Wednesday, and by that, we're looking at some overnight lows in the 50s. When you're in August and you can squeeze in some 50s, that's pretty nice. And daytime highs may stay in the mid-upper 70s in areas on Tuesday. We go for roughly 80 to 82 on Wednesday, and then there might be a little shower thunderstorm toward Thursday night. But looking at this, your hot day is Saturday, your wettest day is Sunday, and your most comfortable day appears to be Tuesday of next week.